Alright, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for another episode of Unboxing Time with the Ramen Raider, the show where I show you what comes in the mail. And today, I've got a big old box from the United States. I would like to personally thank FedEx for leaving it about 3 feet away from the front door. And see the arrow that says up? This is up. They don't understand that. It was upside down. Let's crack it open and have a look. Okay. So as you see, there's a bunch of air pouches, and then you get these, which are ice cold still, so that's good. Let's, I'll move this and we can look at what's inside. Alright, so in that enormous box and that cooler is this. And this is a sampler of new refrigerated bowls from a company called Nona Lim that's down in California. Whoa. Okay, so this is like a new line of refrigerated section noodle bowls. See what we have. Ah, one of my favorite flavors, green curry, and another green curry, spicy miso, and finally dan noodle. So let's see what it says. Used by November 9th. Well, that'll be easy. Dan noodle bowl with Beyond Meat beef crumbles tossed with ramen in a spicy Chinese sesame dressing. Ready in 3 minutes, plant-based, non-GMO, made with Beyond Meat. I'm not familiar with that, but I think it says plant-based. I wonder if it's vegetarian, like if it's vegetarian meat. I don't know, I'll have to look at that. I'm gonna go with, since it says plant-based, and I looked on the ingredients, and it, for the part where it says Beyond Beef, it mentions like vegetables making that. I think these are vegan bowls. Here, let's look at the green curry. Thai green curry made with fresh ginger, lemongrass, cilantro, and coconut milk paired with our laksa rice noodles. Cool, and this one's gluten-free, and it says plant-based, so it's like vegan gluten-free. That's covering a couple bases. And then a spicy miso, a spicy creamy chicken bone broth inspired by Japanese tonkatsu paired with our ramen noodles. Now this one doesn't say plant-based, so I'm gonna go with meat, gluten-free and vegan. So cool. Thank you very much to the folks over at Nona Lim. When I saw this was out, I asked them if they could send some, and they did. So I'll be reviewing this quite soon. And hey, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles every day. Have a good one. Bye.